Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the space analyzer function in the TeraBox application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the space analyzer button, and as you can see it analyzes the amount of photos that needs to be backed up, and also the videos as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.